Hey everyone, Nadine here again today, and today I'm going to do a card using lots of dies from Poppystamps. I guess you would call this card like a open split design, I guess is what it would be called. I don't really know, but that's what I'm going to go with calling it. So anyhow, these are the dies that I'm going to be using. So lots of the whittle. So there's a whittle whale, a whittle crab, whittle palm tree, whittle mounds, whittle cloud border, and then also a wave trio. To start, I cut a piece of blue cardstock and also white cardstock. They are 4 3/4 and 4 1/4. So going the long ways, so on the 4 3/4 end, I'm going to score it right here at a 1/2 inch on both pieces using the cloud die going towards the bottom, so with the fold line on the left side. Oops, I should probably turn my die so it cuts the correct way first, huh? So I'm just going to cut that out. I'm going to use a little piece of purple painter's tape to hold that into place there. And then taking the wave trio, so it comes in 3 different sizes. I'm going to use the bigger one. And I'm going to do that right up here at the top. And also holding that into place, and I'm going to die cut these out. Okay, so now I have both pieces cut out. I am going to take another white piece and then just lining it up and taking the other cloud. I think I want the other one. Let me see. Yeah. I'm going to use the other one. So I'm going to cut that out, and then doing the same with the blue. So you're going to cut those out again. Okay, so I cut the wave out, as you can see, alternating a lighter blue and a darker blue several times, with still that one flap that is in there. And then I have my 2 cloud pieces. So with the cloud, just kind of getting an idea of where I'm going to want those. Thinking right there. And then I'm going to tape that together. And then for the inside of my card, I have this paper that is, what is this? This is 4 by 5 1/4, and this is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So that'll be the back panel, and then this one is just a 1/4 inch smaller. So this is going to be like the inside piece. So I'm going to take, oops, let's see where I want this on my card. And then taking this piece, doing the same thing. So I can get an idea of how far apart I want those. Stay. I'm going to use my Xyron Mega Runner, and I'm just going to go down on that flap piece and go ahead and fold that around. And then I'm just going to cut the extra off. Okay, so now with my water, I'm going to go, I'm going to add that down at the bottom. But what I did is that I already cut out the whale, because this is going to be one of the pieces that is going to be holding everything together. So I don't want it too far apart. I think right about there. And I'm going to do the same thing. Adhere it down. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut the excess off of that. So I want to go ahead and add my next layer on. And then one more layer. And then cut all of that excess off too. Now that I know that everything is going in the right place, I'm attaching these back layers onto the front layer. And I already did the water down here. So there are the layers. Now to get an idea of where I'm going to attach everything, I used, like I said, this is the Whittle Whale right there that I cut out. And now using the Whittle Palm and also the Whittle Mounds. Okay, so pretty sure that's where I'm going to be putting everything. I'm going to take some on point glue here. Just put a little bit, actually before I do that, this is backing like from my Xyron Creative Station. This is just going to make it so things don't stick to it. I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive right here at the bottom of the whale and right here at the tip of his tail. Just going to put a stamp block on there to hold it down. And then this mound, stick right on down. A little bit of adhesive on the bottom and a little bit on the top of the Whittle Palm tree. Just going to stick those down. Now I have a little Whittle crab, the littlest one. I'm going to attach him. Now, I should have done this in the first place, was use my Xyron Creative Station, or Creative Sticker Maker, because this is going to make life so much easier. You just pull these through. Okay, so now on the inside of the card, I am just going to place these right over the top of the other ones. This is just going to help give it a little bit more stability. And I'm just creating this scene basically again on the inside. So putting a little crab there. So there is that part. And then I'm just going to take the back of the card and center it right on to the back. And there it is. My card is completed. I use the Poppystamps Whittle Everyday stamp set, which I use the "You Are the Coolest" right here, and stamped that. Took a white gel pen and just kind of went along the waves a little bit, did some dots on there, highlighted on the whale, like that. So just created it. And it opens up, and as you can see, it's completely see-through. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already done so, I would love if you subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you love my video. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye-bye.